Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Karen Rogers, and we've got an AccuWeather alert for the smoke, the haze, the air quality that we're seeing out there right now. Let's take a live look here, and we can see Citizens Bank Park, and you see the haze that's in the atmosphere. It would otherwise be a sunny day. That's due to the smoke particles that are in the air, and there's been a change. So over the past couple of hours, it has been upgraded from a code orange to now a code red air quality alert. So that means it's unhealthy for everyone. This is all because of the wildfires that are way up in Canada, right now burning in Quebec. But we are getting that smoke all the way into our region. Not only are we getting the smoke, oftentimes that smoke is in the higher levels of the atmosphere, but the atmosphere is well mixed. It's now down to the surface. So that's what makes it a concern for breathing and why we have the entire region in a code red. We have fine particulate matter due to the wildfire smoke. So fine that it could get into your lungs and be an irritant. So that's why it's unhealthy for everybody today. Instead of a code orange where it was just unhealthy for the young or the elderly or anyone with respiratory issues, they're now saying everybody should be avoiding outdoor activity, certainly avoid any strenuous outdoor activity. I called my daughter, told her don't go for that run today like you really wanted to. In fact, we're even noticing it in visibility reports that sometimes this morning it was less than 2-mile visibility, not because of fog, but because of the smoke in the atmosphere so close to the surface here from the wildfires already all the way in Canada. 3-mile visibility in Redding, 4 in the city, but just 2.5 in Dover and Atlantic City. So you're really noticing it there. I want to show you Future Tracker so you can see our area. This is detecting the smoke, and you see it's the area red, the area purple. That's even worse. So let's watch Future Tracker and show how this model shows the conditions getting even a little more worse by afternoon and evening. That area purple, this is a recent model update, even now near Philadelphia. So it will get a little worse this afternoon and evening. You can already kind of smell the smoke at times. You're definitely going to do that tonight as well. As we advance this to tomorrow, it looks like we'll still be stuck in it. Earlier, the models were looking like, it gets a little better by tomorrow. Looks like overall this pattern is not changing for a while. It's because of this blocking pattern that we have, this omega block with this area of low pressure up to the north and east, that high pressure to our west. Nothing's able to move. We have this persistent northerly flow, and that's allowing the smoke from Canada to come into our region. And this frankly doesn't change for the next few days. So although we'll be getting the smoke drifting in and out, at times it will seem worse than others, we are going to overall have that blocking pattern for a few days. So here's what to expect today. We have the AccuWeather alert now because it has been upgraded to a code red, unhealthy air quality for everybody. So you want to avoid being outside in the outdoors. Even inside, it's best if you can turn on the air instead of opening the windows out there. If you have an air filter, it's always a good idea to use that at home. In Pennsylvania and New Jersey, it's a code orange tomorrow. At this point, believing it's getting a little bit better. That could change, but that's what they're putting out there right now. In Delaware, that code red continues tomorrow. So this is going to be an ongoing problem. It gets a little worse this afternoon and tonight. So we'll be back with another update in an hour. What you need to know is it's best to avoid being outside because of the smoke that we're seeing in the air. I'm Karen Rogers, and we'll be joined right now by Tamron Hall, already in progress.